And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 39. Let me show you the transform each option. That's also a transform. You can see that here the properties are for individual elements and also groups of selections. So if I select two rectangles right here, and let's use the rotate function. This rotates the group, even though I haven't grouped it using Ctrl G. Let me do it for all. You can see this 30 degrees, and if I select only one, 30 degrees looks like this. And the reason is simply that Illustrator uses the center point, but not the center point of these elements, but the center point of your selection. And you can see it here with the bounding box. The center is somewhere between the red and the green one. But if I select only one rectangle, the center is obviously then the center of the element. Let's press Ctrl Z until we've arrived here at straight rectangles. I select it all again, and this time I right click. So instead of using rotation here in properties, I use transform and go to transform each. This menu should pop up, previous checked, I've got my reference point set to center, and now I use 30 degrees. I uncheck and check the preview again, and you can see this rotates it now around the individual center points of the four elements. This also goes for move and scale, but for move obviously it's not a difference compared to the transform under properties. But for rotate, we can see that here. Transform objects is checked, which is important. If I make this transform patterns, for example, we wouldn't see an effect because that would only affect the patterns applied to an element, and we don't have one here. The other options for reflect X and Y, randomization, and then once again scale strokes and effects and scale corners that I've talked about a couple of times. Most important here is when you use transform each element of your selection will be treated as a single element and then transformed around its own reference point and not around the reference point of the group, like here under the properties. So it's an important distinction to understand, and transform each is a very important menu to know. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.